Okay, so get ready to really dive deep into something I bet you haven't thought too much about before.
Oh, what's that?
AI
AI, okay.
at the dry cleaner.
Oh, at the dry cleaner? Really?
I know, right? Sounds kind of crazy.
Yeah.
But seriously, the more we look into this, the more you see AI could totally change how we, get our clothes all cleaned up.
It really could, yeah. And we're not just talking about replacing that nice person at the counter.
Right, exactly.
It's way bigger. It could
Yeah.
change everything, like how they do customer service, even the actual cleaning part, all that nitty-gritty stuff.
Totally. So, okay, let's start with something. We all get those late night stain emergencies,
Oh, tell me about it.
Imagine this. You spill red wine, like all over your best shirt. What a nightmare, right?
Yeah.
But hold on. What if instead of freaking out,
Yeah?
you could just go online
Yeah.
and chat with, get this, an AI chatbot
Oh, wow.
on your dry cleaner's website?
No way.
It's true.
Seriously, this isn't like some sci-fi thing, right? This is real.
Oh, it's real. This tech is already out there. These AI chatbots, they can answer any question you got, tell you how to pre-treat stains, even schedule a pickup, like right then and there.
While you're still in your PJs.
Exactly. Still in your PJs, it's like having a dry cleaning guru available 24/7 on call.
I like it.
I know, right? This could be a game changer, especially for, busy folks or anyone who's a little, shall we say, accident prone.
Oh, absolutely. But the really cool part about these chatbots is they learn.
Yeah.
They personalize the whole experience. Think about it, a chatbot that remembers your past orders, how much starch you like, even that you always need those suits cleaned by Friday morning.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
That's what I'm talking about, that kind of service. That's what makes people loyal,
Definitely. So we've got stain disasters covered, personalized service, check. What else can AI make smoother at the dry cleaners?
Well, think about all the stuff they got to do behind the scenes. Keeping track of all those clothes, sending out reminders to pick up stuff,
Yeah.
dealing with payments. AI can do all that automatically.
Oh, wow.
Fewer mistakes, and then their staff can focus on the stuff that really needs a human touch. You know what I mean?
So less lost sweaters. Bills are right. I love it.
Exactly.
Kind of reminds me of how automation changed online shopping.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when you had to call and track your package, like talk to a person? Now it's all in the app, so smooth.
Totally.
Feels like dry cleaning's catching up finally.
Yeah, for sure. And it's not just about convenience. When AI streamlines all that back-end stuff, it can help the dry cleaner be more efficient, cost-effective,
I see.
And that could mean lower prices for customers, maybe even faster turnaround times, who knows?
Speaking of customers, looks like AI could even manage social media for dry cleaners.
Now that's where things get really interesting.
Yeah, tell me more.
Okay, so AI tools can look at customer data and then create ads just for them.
Wow.
Schedule posts at the best times, even answer questions right away, like instantly.
So you're saying, like, I spill coffee on my shirt, boom, I get an ad for stain removal.
Maybe. But it's not just ads, okay? AI can also share helpful tips, like how to take care of delicate fabrics or remind you about, like, seasonal deals.
Oh, that makes sense.
Right.
Okay, so we've talked about chatbots, making things run smoother, even social media. Seems like AI could really change the dry cleaning game.
Absolutely.
Big question is, will every dry cleaner jump on board with this?
That's the million-dollar question, right? I think the ones who do it early, they're going to have a real advantage. They'll be able to offer that super convenient, personalized, efficient experience that customers are looking for.
Makes you wonder, what happens to the good old traditional dry cleaner then?
Yeah.
Does AI take their jobs or just change what their work looks like?
Yeah.
Something we all got to think about, especially as this tech keeps getting more advanced.
For sure. And while you're thinking about all that, here's something else to chew on.
Okay, hit me.
Could AI someday analyze what a fabric's made of and then, like, figure out the absolute best way to clean it? Or even tell you how long your clothes are going to last based on, wear and tear?
Now that is some next level stuff.
I know, right?
It makes you think, what other industries are next? What's AI going to shake up that we never expect?
I can't wait to find out.
Me neither. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. Until next time, keep those minds curious and those clothes clean.
See you later.